unboxing a new iPad Pro. I just bought this one, and I'm probably gonna do another video of me comparing my iPad Pro with my other iPad Pro from 2020. I don't remember which chip it was, but definitely looking forward to this one. And I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna keep it or not, or return it. But here it is. You know, it's glary. And here's the pencil. So let's get started. Oh, I need to blur this stuff out because I don't know if you want to have it, but. Cool device. Can't get it open. Okay, here's the iPad. Oh, I got it in silver, 256 gigabytes. Look how thin it is. This was definitely an impulse buy. I already have an iPad Pro, but I definitely wanted to upgrade mine because it's been 4 years and I no longer have any storage. Here's the pamphlets and stuff, charging bricks, and charging cable, and my phone had died, but finish this. So this is the iPad again. It's really light, it's really thin. I'm gonna show you how it look up against my other iPad. It's so nice. Well, I was not planning on upgrading, but here it is. Let's take a look. Now let's unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. The box is so pretty. Apple Pencil Pro. Let's unbox this one. Not me struggling. Let's see. Designed by Apple in California. Here's the pencil, guys. It is so pretty. It looks like the same window, but definitely super duper cool. My camera's not focusing, but definitely super cool. So let's see what this pencil has. Let's turn the pencil on. Let's turn the iPad on and see. Oh, look at it. It's so cool. Let me get my other iPad so I can compare it with the new one. Again, my other iPad is from 2020, so it's definitely a new, it's definitely a 4-year-old iPad, so I definitely wanted to upgrade it. Here's my old iPad, kind of dirty. here's a picture I drew. If you're interested in buying any type of like new art or anything like that, let me know, because I do drawings and pictures like this one. It's really pretty. But let's set up this new iPad right here. So welcome. My Wi-Fi is hold on, I need to get my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so here I'm just fast forwarding because I was putting in my information and different little things, setting up Face ID, making a password for myself, and setting up a new iCloud because I don't have any storage on my old iCloud, so it's time to do a new one. I already have my phone, my MacBook, and my old iPad set up to my iCloud, so the storage is little to none. So just enjoy this part and I'll come back in a second. This is the new iPad, guys. Let's take a look at the new Apple Pencil. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Squeeze, touch tool gestures, and scribble. Try squeeze. This is the new iPad. So now I kind of want to compare it to my old iPad so that you can just see the many differences. This is my old iPad right here. As you can see, I can't even get this in the shot. They're pretty much the same size. This one's 0.1 bigger than this one, even though the one I have seems a little bit bigger than this one. I don't know why, it just does. If I take this off, you'll see the screen is just a lot brighter and just a lot more vibrant than my old iPad. It's definitely, let's compare the heaviness. I personally don't feel a difference in the weight. Well, this one do feel a little thinner. Okay, sorry I got a phone call, but let's continue on with this. So, like I was saying before, this is the iPad. What kind of iPad is this? Let me find out before I tell you the wrong thing. iPad Pro 4th generation. So from 2020. Yeah, this is that iPad. And this is the new iPad Pro M4. So just so you can see the screen. I think I'm gonna give this one to my boyfriend, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, if you all want to see me set this iPad up, stay tuned. I'm gonna set it up. But this is the iPad M4, iPad Pro, in the color gray, space gray. And this is the Apple Pencil Pro. So stay tuned for the video of me setting it up, and I'm gonna show you everything. Thanks for watching my video.